So here's how to change the filter in my, I have a Whirlpool. This is the Everydrop. So you just lift this up like this, and as you're pulling up, it's pulling the water filter out. And then you just want to make sure the arrow is pointing up when you put your new one in. Mine does not need to be changed right now, but here is what these filters look like. It is the ice and water filter. So when you put it in, you just, so that you remember, you just match the arrows. So it is foolproof. You just stick it right in there and it kind of lines right up, and you'll hear like a little boop, it'll push it down. And then once it pushes it down, you don't have to push here anymore. All you do is close it until you hear it click, and that's it. These filters are great. They last us about 5 months because we're a family of 7. When I put a new one in, I like to run a couple of gallons of water through the filter, and that's it. Easy peasy, super easy to replace too.